In this world, not every woman is left to face life's battles alone. Some walk with a shield so strong, no evil eye, no jealous heart, and no harmful plan can truly reach them, because Allah Himself is their protector. These women may not even realize the divine guardianship surrounding them, but their lives carry clear signs of it. Their hearts remain calm in chaos. Their dignity stays intact in a world that often tries to strip it away. And their enemies find their schemes falling apart without explanation. This is not luck. It is the mercy of the most merciful. Today, we will uncover 8 powerful signs that a woman is protected by Allah from evil people, so you can recognize them in yourself or in those around you. Watch closely, because one of these signs may already be part of your life. 1. Strong faith, Iman. A woman who is protected by Allah begins with an unshakable foundation, her faith. Iman is not just believing in the heart, it is living by that belief every day. She turns to Allah in gratitude during good times and in patience during hardships. She knows that life is a test, and no matter how much the world tries to shake her, her faith stands firm like a mountain. She does not compromise her religious principles to please people. Even if she is surrounded by evil intentions, Allah shields her because of her sincerity and steadfastness. Her heart is constantly connected to the remembrance of Allah, and this connection becomes her spiritual armor, repelling the harm of those who wish to mislead or hurt her. 2. Modesty in dress and behavior. Modesty is a sign of honor and obedience to Allah. A woman protected by Allah carries herself with dignity, both in how she dresses and how she interacts with others. She follows the Islamic guidelines of hijab, understanding that it is a form of protection, not restriction. But modesty is more than clothing. It is in her speech, her body language, and her presence. She avoids unnecessary attention and behaves with humility, never seeking to provoke jealousy or desire in others. Her modesty acts as a shield that discourages evil people from approaching her with bad intentions. It sends a silent message that she is not someone to be taken lightly or disrespected. 3. Guarding the tongue from gossip. One of the most dangerous traps of the shaitan is the misuse of the tongue through gossip, backbiting, and slander. A woman protected by Allah understands the heavy consequences of such sins and stays far away from them. She refuses to speak ill of others, even if provoked, and she does not entertain harmful conversations. This restraint keeps her safe from being dragged into conflicts and enmities. Moreover, by avoiding gossip, she prevents evil people from having a reason to attack her character. Her clean speech reflects her clean heart, and Allah honors this by guarding her reputation. In a world where rumors spread quickly, her refusal to participate in them is a sign that she is under divine protection. 4. Trust in Allah, Tawakkul. Tawakkul is the art of relying on Allah while still making the effort to protect oneself. A woman under Allah's protection puts her trust fully in Him, knowing that no harm can touch her except by His will. She does not live in fear of people's plots because her confidence lies in the One who controls all hearts. When she faces a challenge, whether it is a toxic person, a false accusation, or an unjust situation, she takes necessary precautions but ultimately leaves the outcome in Allah's hands. This surrender to divine wisdom makes her spiritually untouchable. Evil people may plan against her, but Allah's plan is greater. 5. Avoiding harmful companionship. The company we keep shapes our destiny. A woman whom Allah protects is careful about who she allows into her life. She surrounds herself with people who remind her of Allah, not those who distract her from Him. She knows that some individuals may appear friendly but carry jealousy, envy, or ill intentions in their hearts. By keeping her circle small and righteous, she limits the chances for evil people to influence or harm her. She values quality over quantity in her relationships, preferring solitude over bad company. This wisdom in choosing companions is a major reason why Allah's protection remains with her. 6. Regular worship. A woman under Allah's divine protection is consistent in her acts of worship. She prays her 5 daily salah on time, recites Qur'an regularly, and engages in dhikr, remembrance of Allah, throughout the day. These acts are not just obligations. They are her spiritual shield. Each prayer strengthens her connection to Allah. Each verse of Qur'an brings light to her heart. And each dhikr acts as a fortress against unseen harm. She understands that just as a warrior sharpens her sword before battle, she must keep her spiritual defenses strong. Evil people and even the whispers of shaitan cannot penetrate the protection that comes from a life built on consistent worship. 7. Forgiving heart. Carrying grudges is like carrying poison in the soul. A woman who is protected by Allah frees herself from the burden of hatred by choosing forgiveness. This does not mean she tolerates injustice or lets people abuse her. It means she refuses to allow bitterness to consume her. She understands that forgiveness is a form of strength, not weakness. By forgiving, she purifies her heart, and a pure heart is loved and protected by Allah. Evil people often seek to provoke anger or revenge, but her forgiving nature denies them that satisfaction. Instead, she leaves justice to Allah, who is the best judge. 8. Inner peace. Despite trials. Perhaps the most beautiful sign of a woman protected by Allah is her ability to remain calm even in the face of hardship. Trials come to everyone, but while others panic, she remains steady. This serenity is not because life is easy for her. It is because her trust in Allah's wisdom is unshakable. She knows that every difficulty carries a lesson, every delay hides a blessing, and every injustice will be answered by Allah in due time. Her inner peace confuses those who wish to harm her because they cannot disturb her soul. This tranquility is a gift from Allah, a sign that His protection surrounds her like a shield, both in this world and the next. Subhanallah, sisters and brothers, these signs are a reminder that when a woman's heart is connected to Allah, no evil can truly harm her. If you found yourself in any of these signs, thank Allah for His mercy and strive to protect that connection every day. At Pious Deen, we share reminders to strengthen faith and inspire hearts. If this video touched you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic wisdom. May Allah protect you from every harm and surround you with His light. Comment, Ya Allah, protect me from all evil below as your heartfelt prayer today.